how to change your Google Business Profile photo. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can change your your Google Business Profile photo. So if you don't know how to do so, ensure you watch this video to the end because this is the best tutorial for you. Now, the first step is to log in into your Google Business account, and once you're logged in, you will be brought to the page where you would see tools such as edit profile, read reviews, messages, add photo, formats, advertise, manage photo, add updates, Q&A, pickup, edit photos, then food delivery. Then once you've seen this, the next step is for you to click on the add photos option. All right, so just go ahead and click on it. Then once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you can see three options such as photo, let customers pick it to your business, logo, and then cover photo. The cover photo is the same thing as profile photo on your Google Business Profile. So just go ahead and click on cover photo. And then once you click on cover photo, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to add your cover photo. So you can decide to drag your photo here, or you can just click on select photo. And once you click on select photo, you'll be directed to your device files. Then the next step is to just click on gallery or select where your photos are. And then once you selected where your photos are, select a photo you'd like to add, then click on open, and then just like that the photo would be added. Now this is for those that have not added a photo before, but for you, if you want to change it, follow the same procedure. Select the photo you like to change it to, and then once it's uploaded, the photo would be changed automatically. And then if you want to delete the photo as well, you can just click on the delete option here, and then the photo will be deleted. So this is how you can change profile photo on Google Business. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.